And action. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are celebrating a very important day, National French Toast Day. Today, I thought why not even zhuzh it up a bit more and put one of my favorite childhood staples all over this French toast, like apple pie. French toast or apple pie filling, whipped cream, maple syrup. Good God, that sounds fantastic. Shall we? We shall. Have a nice large stainless steel pan here on a medium-high heat. You want to be very careful we don't burn the butter because that's going to be the first thing going into the pan. All right, butter is melted. We're going to take our white sugar now. We're going to add that in. Brown sugar now. Now for a little juice of half lemon. Get that acidity in there. Break down the sugars. Vanilla extract, pure. Cinnamon. And a little nutmeg. Now everything's melted together beautifully. I'm gonna take our apples, Royal Galas, they're royalty apples. I'm just gonna place them in like so. We need to make sure that all the apples get covered with this beautiful brown sugar sauce. So now I have it at a medium heat. I'm just gonna take it up a little bit to ensure that we do have proper heat distribution going on those apples, because we do want those apples to cook down, being mindful of the fact that the sugars could burn. Okay, our apple pie filling is reducing beautifully. It's caramelizing. Those apples are cooking down. The moisture is now starting to leave the pan. It's fantastic. So while we let that finish, let's get started on our French toast. We got 3 eggs and a little bit of whole milk. Put our little egg and milk bath down on this plate here. Before I get too excited and start to dip all the bread in and throw it in our hot pan, I have to like size up the pan. I think I can only fit 2 pieces in there, so I'm gonna dip 2 pieces of bread, do those 2, and then dip the other 2 pieces of bread. A little bit of butter, throw it in the pan. So I'm actually only gonna flip the French toast once. So you're looking at about 2 to 3 minutes because you want to get that nice, beautiful brown caramelized color. You'll notice that the second side will cook a little faster because the pan's had a chance to get a little hotter. All right, the only thing left to do other than crush this thing is to build it like French toast Jenga. So we're gonna take a piece of French toast from the bottom and then a layer of apple pie filling. Another slice of French toast, another layer of apple pie filling. Plot twist. Another layer of French toast. And some more apple pie filling. Then we're gonna throw on a last layer of French toast. So we're gonna put a smaller dollop of apple pie filling on top of that one. Everyone's inner child will love this. A little whipped cream just right on top there. Well, now that I'm on a semi-sugar rush, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoy French toast as much as I do. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below on your favorite way to enjoy French toast. French toast. Enjoy French toast. Au revoir. Okay, I'm gonna go.